In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a funnel chart on Visme. Whether you're crafting an infographic, presentation, or report, integrating a funnel chart can provide powerful visual insights into your data's flow. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to either start a new project or open an existing one within the Visme editor. This sets the stage for where your funnel chart will ultimately reside, whether it be in a detailed report or a dynamic presentation. Once you have your project ready to go, the next step is to insert the funnel chart itself. The process is quite straightforward. You'll want to locate the Data tab positioned on the left-hand side of the Visme interface. Once you're there, navigate to Charts and Graphs, and from the options available, seek out the funnel chart type. Alternatively, if you prefer starting with a preset design, Visme offers a selection of funnel chart templates. Among these options, you might find the Sales Pipeline Funnel Chart template particularly useful, depending on your specific needs. Now that you have your chart base on the canvas, it's time to enter your data. A data panel, similar to a spreadsheet, will open. This is where you'll input the various stages of your funnel, such as leads, qualified, and converted, along with their respective values. For those who prefer a quick data transfer, Visme facilitates importing information directly from Excel or Google Sheets, making the data entry process efficient and seamless. Once your data is neatly organized, the next focus is on customization to ensure your chart is both informative and visually appealing. Click on your chart to access the Settings panel. Here, you have the flexibility to modify the chart title, adjust the axis labels if necessary, and customize the legend's visibility and position for clarity. You'll want to pay special attention to the colors of the funnel stages. Making each segment visually distinct helps in simplifying data interpretation. Additionally, Visme allows you to toggle the animation feature on or off, depending on how you wish your funnel chart to appear. Design and layout are crucial final touches. Make sure to resize the funnel chart appropriately on your canvas, ensuring it complements the overall design. Using Visme's color picker, match the funnel stages to your brand's theme or the project's visual style, creating a cohesive and professional appearance. Consider adding text labels or call-out boxes that can offer additional explanations for each funnel step or highlight significant drop-offs. This not only enhances understanding, but also reinforces the data's story, which can be vital for your audience's engagement and comprehension. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a compelling funnel chart in Visme. By following these steps, you can transform your data into an engaging visual narrative that effectively communicates your message.